the U.S. Supreme Court just reinstate the SAVE plan? Even better, did they give you a way to get your federal student loans forgiven entirely? Today, the U.S. Supreme Court issued a ruling limiting the ability of federal judges to issue nationwide injunctions. Those are court orders that block the enforcement of a law, regulation, or executive action. And people have been asking if this ruling impacts the current injunction against the SAVE plan. If you're looking for good news, by the way, this isn't it. The U.S. Supreme Court held that judges may only grant relief to the specific plaintiffs involved in a lawsuit, not to everybody who may be affected by a government policy. In the ruling, the court directed lower courts to review and refine their existing injunctions to ensure that they're not broader than necessary. And this may result in the modification or partial lifting of many nationwide injunctions currently in place, including the one that covers the SAVE plan. But it doesn't mean that your loans under the SAVE plan are going to go back into repayment, and it definitely doesn't mean that SAVE is alive and kicking. The Eighth Circuit already struck down the SAVE plan. They sent it back down to the trial court just to finalize the judgment, and the only entity that can appeal that judgment is the losing party. That's the Trump administration. They're not going to appeal this case because they're opposed to the SAVE plan as well. Remember, they didn't put the SAVE plan in place. The Biden administration did, and they've got very different opinions on student loan repayment and forgiveness. So no, the SAVE plan is not back from the grave. Second, this does not impact your personal liability for repayment of your federal student loan. The Department of Education can change available repayment plans whenever regulations or statutes change. It's in your master promissory note, and I've talked about that one before. All in all, this ruling doesn't help you. It also doesn't hurt you. In fact, it nothings you. Want to get help lowering your student loan payments, qualifying for forgiveness, getting out of default, or resolving an error? Get in touch. You know where to find me.